If you want to know if the wax ring is sealed properly during toilet installation, there are clear, repeatable checks you can perform right away. Start by setting the toilet straight down onto the flange and apply firm, even pressure until you feel resistance from the wax ring. That tactile stop means the ring has compressed to fill the gap between the horn and the base. After securing the bolts and tightening them alternately and gradually to avoid cracking the porcelain, lift slightly and rock the toilet forward and backward and side to side to test for wobble. A proper seal will not allow perceptible movement. Flush the toilet once while watching the base for any immediate water seepage, and then repeat a few times after a few minutes to catch slow oozing that indicates an incomplete seal. Smell the area for sewer gas, which suggests a compromised seal even if no water is visible, because the wax must fully conform to both surfaces to block odors. If you used a wax-free or reinforced seal, verify the gasket orientation and that the compression plate or bolts are correctly seated, because those systems depend on mechanical compression as well as surface contact. Finally, check the floor underneath after the first day for any staining or dampness, and feel the flange area to ensure the ring remains seated and has not migrated. Common mistakes start with not centering the toilet over the flange, which can cause an uneven compression and a partial seal. Center the toilet and press straight down when setting it. Over-tightening the bolts is another frequent error that cracks the base and creates gaps. Tighten bolts evenly and stop as soon as the toilet is snug and stable. Assuming no leak because there is no visible water on the first flush is risky. Perform multiple flushes, check for odors, and inspect under the floor or in the basement for dampness if feasible. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a community where people share experiences about installations like toilet sealing. We help contractors find work and host a discussion community so members can ask questions, compare products, and learn best practices from others.